Hey mama, let's head right to the Bahamas. Smoke on the ensalada, get sauced up like penne pasta. Balcony dreams from the casa. You just posing as imposters. Check my posture.
Hey guys, it's Joel and welcome back to the channel. Today is an extra video. Well, it's not an extra video. This week I did an extra video for you. On Wednesday it came out with Luke from Hampshire Photo. If you haven't seen that, go and watch it now before you do anything else. That was awesome fun. Right now, I am on my way to get the car cleaned. As you have probably noticed, it is very dirty. And I am filming quite a special video with it tomorrow. Another collaboration, but you'll have to stay tuned for that. Anyway, today, I thought I would take the opportunity to film an update video on the Z4. I guess you could call it that. Because I was thinking it's actually been a long while since I've sort of sat down with you and my car and we've just talked Z4. I know that a lot of you guys are here for that and you like that, so I thought it's probably time to do another one.
Just check my posture, sing soprano like a mobster, crack skulls like red lobsters. She's in that Nautica Challenger. It's best you do not challenge her. Please, is she free? Check your calendar. I brought my girl Dolly and I think she got the llama. Hair beaded like my collar. Enough jewelry for a pharaoh and his father. Build my empire, Nino with his blueprints for the Carter. Mink for rocking.
Right guys, so I've had the car cleaned as you've just seen. It's looking really nice, but sadly the weather is not matching it. The weather is so dull. I had the roof down on the way up here actually, but it was straight back up when I stopped because it is freezing cold. On that note, I'm not going to film sort of an epic Z4-y outdoory video today because it is just so dull. I've only got about an hour of light left as well, and there's quite a few things I wanted to talk to you about today. So I'm going to hop in the Z4 now and we can have a chat in there. Now firstly, before I want to get into all of this, if you're new here to the channel and you're wondering what on earth I'm talking about, then you should probably subscribe, because then maybe in a few months time you may understand what on earth I'm talking about and why. If you can't stomach that, I do also have an Instagram, which will ping up now. You can go and follow that if you can't quite stomach YouTube subscription yet. So guys, I came out to film a sort of energetic, epic Z4 galore sort of video today. However, I've sort of run out of time. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it's 3 o'clock and it's about to get dark because it's the winter in the UK. I've been driving around looking for some cool locations. I found a few, I filmed a few bits, but I just really haven't got the energy because this weather is so dull. I wanted to do a sort of, like I say, Z4 galore, update Z4, 8 months of ownership video, but I don't think I've really got enough to make that into a video today. But if you do want to see sort of a 8 months with a Z4 video, let me know and I'll make a proper one. Maybe when it's sunny, because it involves a lot of getting out of the car and running around with tripods and stuff, and I just could not be bothered with this miserable weather. So I hope you can understand that. Z4 aside for a moment, there are a few other things I wanted to talk to you about anyway. The first being travel. I've got a few trips coming up over the next few months, one of them car related and one of them not. The first being the end of this month, which is January. I'm going to New York, which is really exciting. It's actually a birthday treat to myself. I've wanted to go to New York ever since I started watching Casey Neistat. I've always loved the US, and I've visited the west side of the US a few times before, but never New York, and I've always wanted to go, like I say, since I started watching Casey, where he'd film a video most days in the city, which just looks awesome. So I'm going to New York for about 5 days at the end of this month. It's a birthday treat for myself. I'll be travelling out there by myself and I'll just be basically exploring. I haven't done any research yet about what to do. I know there's a few amazing museums, there's obviously the tall buildings. I might even book a helicopter ride, but we'll have to see about that. I'll be making a video maybe every day when I'm out in New York. Second trip is in March. You may be able to guess what it is. It's the Geneva Motor Show. Now, I go with my friends to the Geneva Motor Show. I've done it before, and we're doing it again this year. We're not driving down, sadly. We are flying down just because it saves a lot of cost and a lot of time. So that is how we're getting there. But I will be down in Geneva for about 3 days. So if any of you are around, come and say hi. If you've got anything you want me to look at in particular when I'm there, let me know. But yeah, there will be a video or two, I'm sure, coming your way from the motor show in Geneva. Another thing I wanted to talk about, I thought why not talk about it now, is collaborations. So I have done recently quite a few collaborations on this channel, and before recent I have done many more, and they're really good fun to do because I get to spend time with, maybe it's a friend or someone I know through social media, with their car normally, talking cars, just having a laugh. Because that's what we all love, and I'm sure most of you watching this car related channel are probably into cars too. Some of you may even drive, and some of you may even have cool cars which you'd want to be filmed or seen featured on a YouTube channel, or maybe even this YouTube channel. So what I'm saying is, if you do fit that category, you're seeing my friend bought a Golf R video and you're thinking, well, I've just bought this car and this is cool, or I've got this car and this could be filmed. Let me know. Get in touch either via email, that is my preferred way, because then it's a much easier way to sort of share lots of details. But if it's easier for you, get in touch with me on Instagram, send me a direct message on Instagram. Obviously my Instagram is linked everywhere, you know what it is. But yeah, if you want me to come down and film your car, or film anything else, if you've got any other ideas at all, honestly just send me a message and I'll get straight back to you. Well guys, I've just made it home and it is already dark. I've parked next to the other shoe that's in the driveway. Yeah, it gets dark so quickly in the winter, and the weather today just wasn't great, and fortunately as a result I didn't get the chance to film a sort of Z4 epic update video, but that will be coming your way soon. And also tomorrow, or when you're watching this today, I will be filming a collaboration with another sort of Z4 owner. So that will be coming to your screen soon as well. Well look, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe, leave a comment and a like, and I will see you very soon.